Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restoring licenses on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try these steps to restore the licenses. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From Users and Accounts, select Other from the left menu, then select Restore Licenses. Select Restore to begin restoring them. It can take a couple of minutes to complete. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.